Hello, this is Jeremy and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. In this video, we will be testing my fire alarm and how is it night? I just slept. And, well, this is going to be really cool. See this? It's a fire alarm. And I'm going to go downstairs to where the switch is, which is this lever. Don't pull this if you come into my world, guys. This sets off the fire alarm. And the door is actually controlled by that thing. And you can hear the alarm going off. And so that means get out immediately. Shut it off, you flip the switch again, and it has to be shut off for you. Okay, it didn't shut off right that time. Now I have to fix it. And now it's in. And there's a glitch where this thing is like staying on. I think I should get rid of that because this is that thing is what's making the sound. And also, this is actually automatic powered. That's what this wood is on the top of my house. If destroyed, the Minecraft starts going around automatically. And I'm gonna walk around the house to show you that it's all going off. And that thing isn't closed. And that one's silent. It doesn't make a sound. You can't hear it. And there's one down here. It's a little louder than all of them. So you gotta shut this thing off now. Let me get some more. Jungle. Why is this thing not functioning? That one makes a sound. Okay. Can't use the lever to shut it off, sadly, when this happens, because it splits into one line. Okay, I'm gonna shut this Mr. Alarm off. Like this. It's off. Shut off properly that time. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you some things I built in my world when I was gone. So there's this bridge here. It's a ginormous bridge. And I'm sorry Lucas isn't going to be in this video. The main reason is he is really only in my Community World series. And he's usually only in his own series. I'm sorry. So this bridge is, so I have like a train going over it. And I'll also show you my train in my world. There's one that goes in a huge underwater tunnel. Okay, I'm gonna go to the drawbridge now. I built a drawbridge in my world. It's over by this area. There's it's this bridge here. It's not that one. That one's the train bridge, railroad bridge. And then there's a bell. The gates. And shut off the bell. Flip that thing. Then you heard those pistons. The bridge is open. And then you flip that up, the bridge shuts. And then you pull this test this. Flip that. Can I? What? No. How long is it? It's only 5 minutes. Now we are gonna go and we are gonna go to Court Street and we're gonna ride the railroad from there. There's a railroad in my world. I've never shown you it. What? What? Okay, and then there's my area over here. This is the most fun ride, my amusement park funnest ride in the world. It's just a coaster that you get dizzy in. Let's make sure redstone's in order. Flip that's supposed to be up. Well, it actually stops in there, and you have to have the redstone right for it to stop. Because the redstone is actually built under the ground here. And if you flip this, the minecart should have been stopping in there. Yep, it stopped. Now we're going to ride the minecart from Court Street. Okay. We're going to take the minecart push train. I'm going to show you. No. Train. Oh yeah, the bullet train. I gotta take the bullet train. Okay, flip the lever to open doors. Get on. Hit the button. And we're on the bullet train. This thing goes really fast too. It's the easiest way to get to Court Street from the Funland without taking the tree train. It's just pretty cool. The easiest way. And now we're here. Now those gates are shut. I'm just gonna open them for a second. And then, okay, and this is actually powered by redstone too. See, they're all open. Kinda cool. You're supposed to open that way. And then if you flip this, they all shut. I'm gonna ride the train now. There's no one in my love garden. I'm gonna end it at 20 minutes. I emptied the SD card. Okay. Well, I can only end this at 18 minutes, so I'm actually gonna take the train ride now, and it's probably gonna last until the end of the video because it's a long ride. It goes all the way to the beach resort, but but it actually goes in an underwater tunnel. Then there's a station right here. Then there's an ocean over there. We're going under the ocean today, though. We're not going through it. There's no glass, though. It's a deep tunnel. Really deep. We're super deep right now. Then we're at the end of it. It goes pretty fast, though. But right now, I gotta show you something. We are at the Mushroom Island. Yeah, tunnel takes us over to Mushroom Island. Now we're gonna take a walk, a tiny bit of a walk, because the station's really big. At least this one is. Okay. Gotta pass this area. Come on. Okay, we're we're on the powered up rails again. There's another station over here. It's an island of some kind. I haven't built the outway yet, though. Then we're coming up to the end of the tunnel. Nearly at the end of the tunnel. It just has to go in a short underwater bit. And we're on our way. And okay, we're nearly at the beach resort. You can't see it yet. We're going over a bridge. Come on, how long can this ride possibly be? And there's a minecart dam too. It's a dam that passes over. Okay, maybe not. Then we're at beach resort. And I gotta show you what the outside of it looks like. So we're at the beach resort. It's one of the ways to get to the beach resort. Right now, this is the last stop of the train, though. I might make it so it goes somewhere else, but for now, it's the last. That place is the last stop. No. Well, very soon we're going to end the video. So we're going to go back and we're going to buy some. So we're going to go back. That jet over there. And I don't know why that lava tree's there. My brother did it. And this is a bad fire truck. What? And now we're back to the lava tree. And we're going to see one of my cats died. Sadly, one of Lucas's cats, when he was in this world, died. So he put a grave up. Right at the bottom of this pit. It used to be a tree, but now it is no longer a tree. The reason it used to be a tree is he put the lava on a tree. What? But the lava did dribble down, which was worse, which was the baddest. And it hit his cat, and the cat died. Sadly, that happened. And my brother put up. What? And this is the Squid Lake. This cave is and also his cat died like right here, the cave. Where? Oh yeah, my brother's shouting at me. There's a stronghold down here. I'm not gonna go and find it because that's gonna take way too long. Because the stronghold's actually on an island somewhere over here, and there's like an underwater cave down there that's going there. No. But there's some things down here. I extended the area. Oh great, the printer started. Who did that? Who in the world? Okay, then there's this floor in my lava room. Do you need the button? This is crazy in here. I wonder why that thing printed. Then it's going to be impossible to get down. Oh, because I'm flying. Oh, it just runs into my wheat room. Then there's a drop. Then there's my house mine, which I have to get a night vision potion on. I think I should fix that because there's no torches down here. And this is my household mine. It's just a room made of ores. It's a really cool place. I wonder what that design is. This looks like a man running. Okay, now we're gonna go back up to my bedroom and end the video there. And also, wait a second. There's a little tunnel down on this floor. I have not shown you this area yet. Oh, I left the code. See that?
It's 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes.
Okay, we only have a few more minutes.
5 minutes, now hurry up.
See if I'm standing on this, it won't show up.
Get to your room.
No.
Yes.
It won't work.
Bye. The video's gonna end. And you're gonna be so sad.
And if you flip this,
Jeremy just like,
there's some
your
redstone.
video's gonna end in a minute. So you might want to get to your room.
Okay, there is something down there, but I have...
Your video's gonna end in 1 minute.
Okay, I have to get up to my room, so I gotta rush.
So?
Wonder how many stairs there are to go up. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please hit that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye.